guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working on trying to get this vintage Wizard sewing machine finished up. This will be the second video, and I think I have figured out what the issue is. I did get some electrical tape and fix that bad spot in the cord, and so it's nice and sealed up and ready to go. I did wrap those cords individually and then tape them together just to keep them stable. So I got it all fixed up and plugged in, and it wasn't working still. So I opened up the back of the presser of the foot pedal and realized that I got in here and realized that this little thing right here, this little hooky thing that attaches to this, was a little far bent out, so I bent that back in just to tighten it up a little bit. The screw right here was loose, so I tightened it up, and then I found out that there is a bolt or something missing from right there that kind of holds this gray chunk into. So if I put the lid back on and I flip it upside down, that whole thing kind of tilts down, which makes this is the thing when you press the foot, it slides over to make contact. But when this tilts down, that was hitting the plate that goes on the bottom. So it couldn't move, so it couldn't move out of that position, which is the neutral position, and it couldn't make contact. So I don't have a bolt that I can put in there. I'll have to get one, but for right now, with it like this, I can push the foot pedal and it will slide that to make contact, and you can see it's working. So I know that's what the issue is. Sweet. So for right now, just to be able to test this thing out, I picked up this, I have a zip tie, and I'm going to slide it in right here. There is a hole. Hang on. Okay, well, that hole was too small for the zip tie. It's a big zip tie, so I ended up just going through this hole here. This is just a temporary solution until I get a bolt that will fit that hole right there. But that will keep it up, keep it from falling down so that it won't hit the plate. Now these old plates, a lot of the newer foot pedals, you know, have screws there, but this one doesn't. These little rivets are just to hold on the feet. Obviously the feet are crumbled and missing, but it just slides. It just slides on. Hopefully, trying to remember how I put this on, but yeah, it just slides on. Now, a lot of times these, if you're holding it like this and trying to slide it on, these little rivets, they kind of fall up and down if your feet are in the way, and it will keep it from sliding on, but it pretty much just pops right on. It has these little, you might think you have to like bend it up. Okay, so I'm going to show you real quick, because I only showed sliding this on. I will show you how to get one of these off. So there's this little notch here, and you can stick your screwdriver in there gently. You don't want to scrape your paint if your paint is good, but you just slide that in, and we're going to twist it back and forth gently. You don't want to bend your casing, just gently, until it starts to slide back. So, and then that will start sliding. See, and right here, I've already caught on this little thing, so I need to push it back in, flip it down so gravity can pull those little rivets that are falling out in, so that they don't get caught, and then it can just really slide open. So same thing when you're pushing it back, you know, want to hold it down so that if these rivets, if you have this problem, my feet for this are gone, so I've got a couple of rivets, so that could be part of the problem of getting it off. So then there we go. So all right, out or something, but you don't. It just slides right off. So, all right, so let's try this out. See if this worked. Yep, because it's in the down position and it is working now. So, so now I know I just need to replace that little bolt there. To hold that in. So this is really just a temporary fix to make sure that I've got, you know, what the actual problem is down. So I just got to get a little, let's cut this off. I just got to get a little bolt to fix that up, but just to give you an idea, this is the second vintage machine I've repaired on this channel, and sorry about that, guys. Phone's trying to fall, but both issues have basically been the foot pedal. So, you know, if you're having issues with your vintage machine, start with, you know, the cords and stuff, then try the foot pedal, because a lot of times it's going to be an issue with the foot pedal. This one literally was just, this thing kept falling down because it was missing a bolt. So, you know, and obviously I fixed that portion of the cord that was bad. So for now, this one's working. And I think the only thing I need to do is add some more oils to it. I think I'm trying to get it really good and oiled and let that oil soak in for at least, it's probably been, I think it's been about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks since I posted that last video. But yeah, so this machine is working so far. I'm just going to go through and re-oil it, let it set again, just to make sure that it's nice and lubricated, and the belt looks good on it. I don't see any other issues other than, you know, it just needs to be oiled good. I cleaned it up, so pretty happy with that. After I oil it again and let it set for probably another week or so, I'll probably try to fix it up and try to start sewing with it. But after, you know, I don't know how long it's been sitting, so you really want to make sure that your oils have a chance to really soak in, and you don't want to burn up a motor because everything's moving too sluggishly because the oil hasn't set in yet. So you know, just be careful and be gentle with your machines until you're sure that they're well oiled. So I got this replaced and got that replaced and fixed the foot pedal, and now this wizard machine should be good to go. But we'll do another video of testing out the sewing, but I don't see there being any problems since everything is moving very well. And so yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.